everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and staying in at home. Guys, we all know that entire world is going through very tough time and everybody is giving their best to fight against this corona pandemic. Looking at the situation right now, it has become very important for all of us to have good immunity level that might help us in surviving this corona pandemic in a better way. Guys, if you don't know what do we exactly mean by immunity, then let me tell you. Immunity is our body's ability to fight against any kind of infection or toxin caused by any kind of microbe. In today's video, I am going to share a very easy home remedy that will help you in boosting your immunity. The remedy that I'm going to share today is a tea or a herbal tea, and we will be preparing it with some easily available kitchen ingredients, and I'm sure that you all must be having them in your kitchen. So without wasting any time further, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go please check out all the videos linked below and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you never miss any updates from InTrends. So for preparing our herbal tea, we will be needing some simple kitchen ingredients, which are a lemon, some black pepper, some cinnamon, some cardamom, cloves, turmeric powder, ginger, and honey. Take 250 ml of water in a pan and keep it on medium flame. Then we will be adding all the ingredients to this water. First of all, I'll be grating half ginger into it. Next thing that I'll be adding is turmeric. Add 1 pinch of turmeric to it. Then I'll be adding 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, and a few black peppers, and 1 cinnamon stick. Wait for water to boil for a few minutes. Once this water starts boiling, wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. So the water has completely boiled for 1 or 2 minutes. So I'll be turning off the flame now. I'll be straining this into a cup. Now I'll add half lemon to it. And a tablespoon of honey. Now our immune boosting tea is ready. Consume this tea once a day and it will boost your immunity and will help you in fighting against infections. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope that this will help you in boosting up your immunity and staying on the safer side. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, check out all the videos linked below and do like this video as well and subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from InTrends.